Alright, so we're getting pulled over. I say I'm pulling over. This dude is in this Bronco. I just stopped on that. It's a 77. My goodness. Yeah, you don't ever see them. I've never seen one like this on the road. I was behind you on the interstate there. Like I said, I was filming. Like I said, you ever put it in car shows?
Yeah, I put it in one, and I didn't think I'd win anything.
Man, yeah.
And I just walked off and left, and I come back about 1:30, and they told me I had won it.
Yeah, I bet so.
Yeah.
Let's see. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Holy smokes.
That's a 302.
302. Summit Racing. Put them in the Mustangs, huh? The Summit Racing motors. As a kid, I remember them. Wow, that is clean.
Huh? Too much motor for that little truck.
Oh, yeah, but you know, it's always good just to have a little extra. Huh? Man, look how simple that was. One belt, or two belts, huh? You got air on this thing?
No, I'm trying to get air. I'm trying about I contact a place in Portland, Oregon.
Okay.
And they think they can get me one, so we'll see.
Wow. Man, this thing is fine.